Show you how to format a hard drive to erase everything that's on a hard drive. Plug in your hard drive through your USB port. The easiest way is to go to your start menu. Just exit all this after you see it. Go to your start menu, type in format. And this right here, create and format hard disk partitions. That's where you want to go. And then you want to make sure you have the right hard drive. C is the hard drive on our computer. We do not want to format that. We want to format this hard drive here. Right click on it, delete volume. It just deleted everything that was on that hard drive. Now you want to right click on it again, create new simple volume. We hit next, next, next. Make sure it's set for NTFS, and make sure this check mark's clicked where it says perform a quick format. And you want NTFS if you're going to put this in a computer and install an operating system. Now if you are going to use it for storage, then you want exFAT or FAT32, depending on what your computer's going to write on it. Then you hit next, and then you hit finish. You wait a minute. And you exit out of that. And once that's finished, you want to disconnect your hard drive. So you go down here, click on that, eject external, unplug your USB device that you have plugged into your hard drive, and you're completely finished.